separate courts have ordered US immigration authorities to halt the deportation of Subramaniam Subbu Vedam. He is a 64-year-old Indian origin man from Pennsylvania. Vedam spent more than 4 decades in prison for a murder conviction that was later overturned. He is a legal permanent resident who has lived in the United States since he was 9 months old. He is currently detained at a short-term holding center in Alexandria, Louisiana. His lawyers said he was transferred there from central Pennsylvania last week. On Thursday, an immigration judge issued a stay on his deportation until the Board of Immigration Appeals decides whether to review his case. This process could take several months. Vedam's lawyers also received a stay from a US District Court in Pennsylvania, though that case may now be on hold pending the immigration court ruling. We are hopeful that the Board of Immigration Appeals will ultimately agree that Subbu's deportation would represent another untenable injustice, said his sister Saraswati. Vedam not only endured 43 years in a maximum security prison for a crime he did not commit, but he has also lived in the United States since he was 9 months old. Vedam was convicted of the 1980 murder of his former classmate and roommate Tom Kinser in State College, Pennsylvania. He maintained his innocence throughout his incarceration. Sentenced to life imprisonment in 1983, Vedam also received a concurrent sentence for a drug-related offense committed at the age of 20. His appeals span decades and his murder conviction was finally overturned in October 2025, making him the longest incarcerated person in Pennsylvania to be exonerated. He was released from state prison on 3 October only to be immediately taken into immigration custody. The Bureau of Immigration and Customs Enforcement or ICE is seeking to deport Vedam based on his decades-old no-contest plea to charges of LSD delivery. Vedam's lawyers argue that the 40 years he spent wrongfully behind bars, during which he earned degrees and tutored fellow inmates, should outweigh the decades-old drug conviction. Vedam was born in India while his parents were visiting for a family funeral but grew up entirely in Pennsylvania where his father taught at Penn State. His family says he has no relatives in India. His niece Zoe Miller Vedam says they want him to stay with them so that he can move forward in life. Further, he would have some support from their family if he stays in America. To follow news like this, subscribe to our channel, our state, our nation, like, comment and share the video. Thank you.